Hey guys, as I promised, we have started moving towards our first million, or rather, I have started moving more. You are watching from the sidelines for now, but I hope the moment will come when you say, yes, this guy is making sense, and we would like to replicate what he is doing so that just like him, we can start earning on full autopilot. Yes, we will be earning on full autopilot. As I mentioned earlier, this style is suitable for those who do not know how to trade or are afraid for some reason, but also to avoid losing money, or for those who do not have time for trading, and my trading style, which I am currently making lessons about, will also help those who have little money for trading to earn, because we will simultaneously, I will teach you how to use tools such as broker, leverage, cent accounts, and financial instruments like derivatives. We will trade contracts for difference, that is, speculate on asset prices. That's it. I will explain all of this step by step. In my course, it will be a free course and you will learn completely free of charge from zero to a certain level so that you can already start independently organize all of this for yourself. Press the Algo trading button on your trading platform and your trading bot will start earning you your first profit. So regarding algorithmic trading, this trading, as I mentioned earlier, and has evolved from the existence of a talented trader who has their own trading strategy. And this strategy is described in the form of program code. That is, for example, I have a strategy, I go to a programmer and say this and that. I make trades, I analyze the market in the following way, make a trade in this manner, and as a result, for example, we achieve a profit. In this way, we fix the profit based on such certain indicator data, and money management is fully described. That is, from start to finish, it is 100% formalized. I describe the strategy to the programmer. The programmer describes all this in the form of program code, compiles it into a program, and it is created like this. In this way, the software is used for automatic trading. Where we place this program, we simply register with a broker, download it to our computer and their trading platform, and install this program on the platform. The platform acts as a kind of gateway through which we access the financial market. So, in general, this software is for automatic trading. It can be used in different markets, whether in the cryptocurrency market, in the traditional currency market, in the Japan market, for example, of indices, in some commodities, energy market, or for instance, in the stock market of companies. In other words, there are actually many sectors where we can use algorithmic trading. We are now talking more about the traditional market, that is the one called Forex, because this is currently the most stable market for automatic trading. Yes, there is the cryptocurrency market where one can also earn, but in the next lesson or in one of the upcoming lessons, I will show you why Forex is still better than cryptocurrencies. Yes, you can invest in cryptocurrencies there. For example, today you can buy some coin at one price, and in a year or two, or perhaps let's say it's a 5-year investment, you might sell it for 10 times the price. So, but I want to tell you based on practice that during the time, let's say crypto will grow and increase by 1,000%. And this might happen, let's say, over 2 to 3 years. During this time, a trading bot in the Forex market earns several thousand%, because for investing in cryptocurrency, you need the market to grow. Whereas in the Forex market, the trading bot doesn't care how the price behaves, whether it rises, falls, or moves in circles. It will still earn because it speculates on the price difference, and we use leverage and contracts for difference for this purpose. And in this way, our earnings are much better than in the cryptocurrency market, as well as in any other market. Accordingly, now we will talk about trading in the Forex market. Although on my Santa, I am going to publish many other strategies that can be used and applied in other markets. So let's return to automated trading. After we have created this trading bot, we place it on the platform and it starts trading. We lay hand over hand, foot over foot. Yes, that is, we are chilling, relaxing, just occasionally observing the process. We adjust, make some corrections, and the bot is already working, acting on our behalf, but it operates independently. Roughly speaking, you just count the money every day, how much it has additionally earned for that day or the previous day. This is called automated trading. And in my lessons, I will explain to you step by step how to set it all up on your computer so that you can turn your computer into a small automatic machine like an ATM, which will gradually dispense a certain amount of money to you every day. This is, figuratively speaking, of course, exaggerated, so that you simply have a small profitable factory for generating profit on your computer. Okay, guys, I've explained everything to you figuratively. As we go along, as we move forward, next, I will show you how it all works in practice. In the next lesson, we will talk about the assets that we will use for trading, then about the trading platform, or about brokers, for example, that can be used. Then we will install a trading bot on the platform, then press the auto trading button, and well, you will observe from the side, and I think you should understand how it all works. Moreover, I will give you clear instructions. Do 1, do 2, do 3, so that you can repeat all this on your own account. So until we meet again, see you in the next video. We will move on to step number 2. It will be more specific, more practical. Bye.